Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. So last 2 days I went completely wrong. Looking at the inflation data, I anticipated that inflation data is going to be on the higher side. Last time it was out, it was 8.6%. I thought it will come out 8.8%, but it came at 9.1%. So I was thinking that the markets will go down, 15,800 will be taken in Nifty and maybe 34,500 will be gone in Bank Nifty. But contrary to my expectation, everything is going opposite, right? Anyway, not an issue unless until we don't make any loss. Our views can go wrong, but we cannot go wrong about our trading. So that's what we want, right? So whatever happens doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where the market goes, whether it goes on the upside or downside. That is not a matter. We can manage whichever direction it goes. Only problem we'll face is when Nifty or Bank Nifty or any stock is gapping up or gapping down. Even if it gaps up or gap downs, if there is a minor gap up 150 points or gap down 150 points, that is manageable. But 400 points, 350 points gap down, and we saw one fine expiry, we saw 350 points gap down. That things we cannot manage, right? So anyway, I was wrong, but we manage very efficiently and we are in a loss, we are in a profit only, right? And today, if you see stock specific price action I was seeing stock specific price action, Tata companies. I think Tata Consumer Product, which was up by 3.2%, Titan, which was up by, I think, around 3%, and even Tata Motors was up by, I think, 2.84 or 2.75%. Apart from Reliance, all the stocks in Nifty 50 was performing. HDFC, tomorrow we are expecting results which was up by 2.25%. And if you see this Dow futures, Dow future is simply really what to say, that is in another world. So before our markets were closing, I saw Dow future was up by around 150 points. Then before shooting this video, I was seeing it was up by around 89 points only. Then I was thinking, oh my God, we have gone long in the market. I think Monday we'll have to break our head. Now it is up by 320 points. And Nasdaq is not performing. Apart from Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P futures are good. And even FTSE is in the green. It's up by 0.75%. German is good. CAC is good. Everything is performing perfectly, right? Now, I don't know whether the market is going to go on upside because nowadays it is highly unpredictable and highly unreliable. Whatever this futures and volatility is everywhere, and we don't know what is going to happen. Now I think maybe I have gone long in the market. I have sold some put option in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Maybe if the market may go on the upside, looking at all these data. See, last 2 days we are anticipating or we are thinking that the markets may go down, looking at inflation data, that and this, everything. Now if the market is reversing, what you can do? Contrary to my expectation or contrary to the market data, I cannot take position, right? So this is the problem. This is how markets are behaving. So we will go along with the market. If the data shows everybody is long in the market, we will be long. Everybody is short in the market, we will be short. So markets are ignoring bad news, or I don't know what is happening in the market. As of now, I'm long in the market only. If it is going down, we don't know what to do. We'll try to manage and adjust our position. So that's the best thing we can do about our markets, right? And looking at the open interest, yesterday was very much like, if you see, yesterday people were writing call options. Today they are writing put option. Yesterday we saw from 16,000 to 16,500 people were writing call option. Today opposite is happening. Same 16,000 to 15,500 they are writing, but not call option, put option they are writing. And highest call option is put option is around 16,000, and highest call option is also around 16,000. So what does that mean is people are writing short straddles in 16,000. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, this is the interesting part. In Bank Nifty, there are more calls than put. Okay, so people are writing 34,500 short straddle, and at the same time, aggressive call are being written in 35,000. So market participants are short in Bank Nifty and they are long in Nifty. So I think markets are likely to consolidate for in the near future. Maybe till US Federal Reserve, when 27th July US Federal Reserve is going to come out, and we have a 16th, I think ICICI 16th or 17th we have ICICI, I think ICICI Bank is going to come out with the result. So this is all earning season. So the general perspective is, what I feel is the market is going to consolidate till 27th July. 3 days back also I put a brief video about this, that we may consolidate till 27th of July. But yesterday I was expecting market to go down. I thought Nifty will go below 15,800, but that was not happening. Anyway, not an issue. We will see how things pan out. For now, I don't have nothing much, and this FIA data, we'll see how these FIAs are, what they are up to. I think FIA data would have come now. I'm sure they would have sold, but this DIIs are there, no. They will come for the rescue. So that's what they have been doing, and I think it is out. Yeah, FIA is today also, 15th of July. They have sold for 1,649 crores, and DIIs have bought for around 1,059 crores, right? Anyway, let's see how things pan out. As of now, so far so good. This month has been really, we are performing really good. May month we made a huge mistake. We ended up in a very huge loss. July, May, June we didn't. June month we didn't trade much, very small quantity. This month also, July also, we are not trading much. We are just using 25% of our capital. The amount of shock which May month gave, we are just trying to recover from that. So if you have some shock, slowly only you can recover. You are losing so much and still you want to use 100% of your margin money, then these things will create problems. So we just reduce our fundings. We reduced our capital, so that even if if the market still behaves like what it did on April, May, big gap ups and gap downs, then we can at least sustain or save some of the capital, right? Anyway, let's see how things pan out. Nothing much to talk. I hope I have summarized everything. I hope you had a nice day today. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy with your family. Take care. Bye.